control settings page is where you define how the EMS interacts with each power source and breaker on your site. Each section represents a specific control functionality that can be configured based on your system architecture. Please note that settings can only be changed when the EMS is stopped. The Load Breaker Control tab lets the EMS manage deferrable loads automatically, connecting or disconnecting them according to site power and battery charge levels. This function ensures that non-critical loads are disconnected when energy is limited and reconnected when conditions improve. Each breaker follows its own open and close logic. For example, Breaker 1 opens when the site load rises above 100 kilowatts and recloses automatically once the load drops back below 20 kilowatts. Breaker 2 follows a similar pattern at 150 and 70 kilowatts. Load-based control disconnects the breaker when site power demand exceeds a predefined threshold. Once the total load drops below the reconnect value, the EMS automatically closes the breaker, restoring supply to the deferrable load. The same logic can be driven by the battery's state of charge. When SOC falls too low, deferrable loads are disconnected to protect autonomy. Once sufficient charge is restored, the EMS reconnects them automatically. Each breaker operates independently with its own logic and thresholds. Breaker 2, for example, may handle heavier or less critical loads, disconnecting only during deeper energy shortages. This allows for multi-stage load control, ensuring that essential equipment remains powered. That's how Load Breaker Control enables smart, automated management of deferrable loads. By combining power and SOC thresholds, operators can fine-tune how the system prioritizes energy use and ensures stability across all conditions. Next, we'll explore Production Breaker Control, managing the connection of PV, genset, or other generation sources for optimal coordination.